Hi, I'm Brianna.
And I'm Vanessa, and we're sisters on the Castle Robotics team in Newburgh, Indiana. For this activity, we will be making this motorized race car.
In your kit, you will find a hot glue gun with 2 glue sticks, small pieces of electrical tape, batteries, a battery holder, bottle caps, a motor, 2 popsicle sticks, some rubber bands, a small piece of a drinking straw, and a dowel rod. The first thing you want to do is plug in and turn on your hot glue gun, and when doing so, please be careful of the tip. It can get really hot and can burn you.
The next thing you want to do is get your motor, and the bottom should be labeled, and you'll be gluing it to one end of your popsicle stick with your hot glue gun.
Next, you're going to take your straw and you're going to stick it to this end. You just need a tiny bit of glue for this one. Just a small amount.
So the next part is you're going to take your piece of dowel rod and you're going to slide it through your little straw. Now in your kits, it should be made to fit, but if you're doing this yourself, you got to make sure that it can slide nice and through, which you can do with sanding a piece that's similar. And then you're going to stick one of your bottle caps that should have a hole, but if you're making them yourself, you can use your hot glue gun to melt a little hole into it. And you're going to push that right through like that, and then you're going to get the distance kind of as you want it, and then stick some hot glue in there to make sure it stays put.
Work with hot glue. It hardens pretty quickly, but if you want to get it cooled down faster, you can blow on it. Now that we are done with our front wheels, we're going to attach our back wheels. We're going to attach them to these white pegs on the motor.
Make sure it has a little bit of space between the motors so that it has room to move. So now that we have the wheels attached, we're going to get this thing charged up. First, we're going to get the 2 red wires. You got to hold them kind of vertically. Now the stationary wire is what you're going to put the bendy wire around. Just kind of wrap it around like so. Make sure it's nice and on there. Then you're going to get one of the smaller electrical wires, tape, and wrap it around it. Make sure it's completely covered. And best to do it at the end so that you don't have a little flag to worry about. Once that is on there, you're going to repeat the process with the black wires. Do the exact same thing. It might take a couple tries because wires sometimes have a mind of their own. Take your other small piece of electrical tape, get it right on the end, and wrap it around. So once you have your wires connected, we're going to hold them off to the side while we finish the frame of your race car. You're going to get your other popsicle stick and kind of just have it at the ready. You're going to put glue on top of the straw, and you can be kind of generous about the amount of glue on the top of the motor. These 2 spots are the points of contact that your popsicle stick will have with the bottom part.
You will run out of glue, so you're gonna have to put the other one in.
At some point.
at some point. Like that?
Yeah.
Next, we're going to attach the battery holder around the position where the driver would be. Let's put the glue right about here. And then we're going to attach it on top. Next, we're going to get the wires out of the way. We're going to tuck the wires underneath the popsicle stick and out of the way of the tires. Then we're going to wrap the wires and take the electrical tape,
The longer piece.
wrapping it together. You might need an extra set of hands. And then once that's done, you're going to take a dollop of hot glue and you're going to put it at the bottom of the car. Just enough. And you're going to stick it in there. At this point, we are done with the hot glue gun, so turn it off and just set it to the side so it can just cool off.
But now that the frame and structure of our car is done, this baby needs some traction. So you're gonna get your rubber bands. It might need to stretch them out a bit so they can fit. And then you're gonna wrap them around each individual tire. So now that we have the rubber bands on, quick warning, make sure not to stretch it out too far. You want these to be really snug, otherwise they'll be kind of slidey around and might fall off. But now that we have those on, now we get to add the batteries and have this thing crescendo with power.
So we're gonna pop off the top, and you gotta be careful about which side of the battery you're gonna put. So it says positive, but we want to put the positive up. Whoops.
It just kind of rests there.
Yeah. And then negative, so you're going to put the positive side on the bottom.
The negative side doesn't have anything on it.
You're going to close that up and turn it on.
Now we are all done, and you have this cool little race car. But now that you're done with it, you can customize as much as you want. You could change the wheels for bottle caps if you remake it. You can race it against friends.
You can, and now that you know how to wire up the motor, you can make so much more than just little cars. You can make a tank,
Or a train, or a conveyor belt.
or a boat.
And if you do make a boat, you could have it be some sort of propeller to see the reefscapes.
We hope you enjoyed this activity as much as we did.
And check out our channel for more STEM kit videos.